Never before have you had so many options for marketing your auto repair business, but connecting with the right people at the right time and with the right messages can be challenging. Mitchell One's SocialCRM shop marketing service uses all the latest tools to automate your shop's digital marketing, so you can attract new customers and also build long-term loyalty with your existing customers with very little effort. Before the customer even arrives at your shop, SocialCRM is already hard at work, delivering automated marketing emails to your customers, so they think of your shop first when their car needs service.
The automated emails impact our business tremendously. A representative can send me a couple samples of the monthly flyer, and then I can choose which one I want, and she will email them out.
SocialCRM helps you reach your entire customer base with automated emails timed to match your customer's vehicle history.
When it's time for the regular oil changes, for the 30, 60K services, timing belt services, whatever may be due on their vehicle at that time.
SocialCRM is tightly integrated with Manager SE, Mitchell One's shop management software, giving you insight into your customers' past experiences at your shop that you can use to make them feel welcome and build loyalty.
When the customer's at the counter, I can see if they've left us any reviews, and that will really tell me how much they really care about coming in here. There's a tab right on the top of the homepage on Mitchell, and I can go right into my profile for CRM. And I can see how many emails were sent out, and I can see how many responses there were, and I can look at all of my SureCritic reviews right there.
After the repair is complete, SocialCRM helps you stay connected to your customers so you can continue to build loyalty and keep them coming back to your shop.
When the customer leaves our shop, SocialCRM sends a thank you email to every invoice that was completed that day.
And SocialCRM also invites your customers to write a review after their visit to your shop and share their positive experience with others.
The reviews let me know what they think about us and what kind of service we're providing for them. So they know we care, just like hopefully they know we take good care of their vehicle.
Your SocialCRM support agent is your very own marketing consultant. They'll create customized campaigns for you and monitor them to ensure you're getting the best possible results. The SocialCRM reporting dashboard gives you immediate insight into the results of your marketing campaigns and overall business performance.
I review my reports all the time, who the emails went out to, what people might have responded to the emails, how I'm doing compared to other shops in the nation. It's just one of the best reports I've ever seen.
With SocialCRM, you'll engage with your customers and grow your business based on a higher level of customer interaction and loyalty. And the best part is that Mitchell One does all the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what you do best, repairing vehicles and providing great customer service. Find out how you can start growing your business automatically with SocialCRM.